Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix package failed updates error on Windows 11. First method is Reset and Repair app. Second method is Uninstall and Reinstall app. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.